Okay, so we built our fence a couple weekends ago, and as you can see, some of the tops are a little longer than I want them to be. So we have to cut them down to the right height so I can put tops on them. I made this little guide, which should cut the fence post properly. It's a little jig that's the same width as a 4x4, and these two guide pieces, it snaps on, and you use this guide to cut along the edges. Okay, so I take this guide, where it belongs, screw her in. Temporary screw in. Okay, now you line up the saw to the guide. Do one side. And the tricky part is to come to the other side. And there you have it. Nice flat surface to put your cap on. And there you have a nice flat surface. Okay, then you screw your fence caps in. All done.